Hi, my name is Mike Sibley. I am a GDI affiliate, and I'd like to take a few moments to tell you why I joined with GDI, Global Domains International. I think that it's helpful to know what motivated someone in the network marketing industry to join the program that he or she is trying to recruit you to join. If they make some valid points, then you'll know whether it's worth your time to join with them also. So I want to share with you 3 reasons that motivated me to join with GDI. The first and probably the most important reason I joined with the GDI affiliate program was the high quality service they offered. GDI's website identity package is an awesome deal for anyone who wants or needs a website. What you get is this: a free domain name, up to 10 email addresses, a website builder that's ridiculously easy to use, hundreds of pre-made website templates, and hosting, all for the incredible low price of $10 a month. That's insane. To buy a domain name itself typically costs you between $10 and $12. You get all of this for one incredible low price. The competition for websites, domain names, and hosting is fierce. And with GDI's superior offer, the other guys don't stand a chance. The second reason I joined with GDI is the awesome marketing tools you get when you join. The greatest among them is the remarkable GDI video presentation. This video basically sells the program itself. It's informational and extremely motivational. It's easily one of the best presentations I've ever seen, and I've seen a ton of them. I'm pretty much a jaded dude when it comes to income opportunity offers because I've seen so many of them. So I know if I was motivated to join, almost anybody will. All I have to do is refer people to watch the video, and it's pretty much a wrap. The final and very important reason I joined with GDI is the unlimited income potential the program offers its affiliates. GDI pays you down through 5 levels, which allows you to harness the power of duplication to profit off the work of others who themselves will profit off the work of the people who they sign up under them. I like the fact that I can make good money by helping other people make good money. So, those are just 3 of the many reasons why I joined with GDI. I hope this was helpful to you in some way. The great thing about GDI is that you get a 7-day free trial to check out the service for yourself. If you don't like it, then there's absolutely no obligation to buy. But if you do like it, all you have to do is maintain the service, and it costs you $10 a month. Show me a better deal and I'll sign up today. So thanks for watching. I'll be sharing tons of free valuable content that will help you succeed big time with GDI. So do yourself a favor and subscribe to the channel. Kindly like and share this video. That's all for now. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.